Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's find out together. First, let's talk about how we're feeling this morning. When you woke up this morning, were you having a great day, a grouchy day, a sad day, an excited day? Yesterday, I was feeling pretty happy by the end of our video. If you remember at the beginning, I was kind of nervous and shy because I didn't know you yet. And it was my first video. So I was really quite nervous, but by the end, after spending some time with you, I was quite happy. Here's another happy face, maybe a little bit more relaxed, quiet, calm, peaceful. Oh, what about this one? Look at what the eyebrows are doing. And the face and the mouth here. I think this face is very angry. Maybe frustrated. Do you ever feel angry or frustrated? Here's another one. What is the mouth doing here? Is it looking quite sad? Disappointed maybe? Have you ever been disappointed? Maybe you were eating an ice cream on a hot summer day and your ice cream fell off onto the ground and you couldn't eat it anymore. That would make me kind of frustrated and a little sad. Sometimes I look like this because I miss my friends or my family. That's happening a lot right now with everybody staying home and not doing as many social things as they were before. Which of these should we do today? I think I'm still going to pick the nervous face. This feeling face. I think I'm still a little bit nervous. I'm not as nervous as yesterday because we got to meet yesterday and do a few activities together. So I know you a little bit better, but I'm still a little bit nervous because I haven't done this a lot. So I'm still practicing and we're going to learn together. So I'm going to put my nervous face. A little bit shy and a little bit nervous, but I'm still a little bit excited as well. And we'll see if I'm still feeling that way at the end of the video. So let's look at the calendar. Do you remember what day it is? Or do you know what day it is? Sometimes our grown-ups talk about what day it is when we wake up in the morning. Sometimes we don't. So you might not know, but you might. If you have your own calendar, you might know. So yesterday was this day. Do you remember we colored an orange circle on the 1st, which was Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. I know that's kind of tiny. You can't read that one. So I just spelled it out for you. So if yesterday was Friday, then we go to the next day because we always go left to right. It's Saturday. So if yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday. So there are 7 days in the week. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is the day we're on, Saturday. So yesterday was Friday. And today is Saturday. So it starts with an S. And an S sounds like a slithery snake. S, S. Do you know any other words that start with S? What else starts with S? S, snake. S, soup. Soup is kind of delicious. Do you have a favorite kind of soup? I really like mushroom soup. S. How about skates? It's winter where I live and we have lots of snow and even some skating rinks. Sometimes you can skate on a pond or a lake. Skates. So this is the S and we spell Saturday S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Saturday. Every day of the week ends in day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Saturday. Saturday is kind of a special day of the week For a lot of people, they don't have to work or go to school, but some people do. I used to work on Saturdays a lot. But for a lot of people, Saturdays are days that they get things done for the week. So they might go grocery shopping. Maybe they have a dance lesson or a music lesson, or maybe a bowling lesson. Some people go and visit their grandparents. Sometimes people will go visit a friend, or maybe go play outside, like ice skating or tobogganing. There's all kinds of things you can do on a Saturday. So this is our day today. Yesterday was Friday. And do you remember what this number is for Friday? Friday the 1st, which is a number 1. And what comes after 1 when we're counting? 1, 2. So today is 2, and we say the 2nd. So today is Saturday the 2nd. Saturday the 2nd. And the month is January. Do you remember that from yesterday? We switched from December to January, and we spell it January. And it starts with a J. J. So J sounds like J. J. Can you think of any other words that start with J? They would sound like J at the beginning, like jam, or maybe you call it jelly. And jam and jelly come in a jar. What else starts with J? I have a friend named Jeff, and I have a friend named Joanna. There's lots of words that start with J. J. So let's just look over here in our months. There are 12 months in the year. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 months in the year. Let's list them all. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in the year. Let's do it one more time. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. There are 12 months in the year. So when we say the date, we will say Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. That's a really big number. It has 4 digits. 2021. So we can say 2021, or we can say 2021. So today it is Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. It's very exciting to be in a new year. Let's pick a different color. That color is orange. How about if we pick purple? Do you like purple? What are some things that are purple? Purple grapes. Grapes are delicious. I really like grapes. What else is purple? I have a purple stuffy. What shape should we do today? Yesterday we did an orange circle. The circle goes around like a ball. Maybe we can do a triangle today. Do you know what a triangle is? It has 3 sides. We start at the top up here and we go down. Then we start here and go across. And then we go all the way back up to the top. That's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It also has 3, my fingers won't go up because I'm holding my pen, 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to color it in purple. So if you have a calendar at home, you can color in your square. Some people will put an X through the day at the end of the day, or a line. You can just color a little picture. So for yesterday, you can put an orange circle, and today you can put a purple triangle. So today is Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. So now that we've figured out what day it is, Let's figure out what the weather is like. Have you looked outside yet to see what the weather is like where you live? The weather can be different in all kinds of places. You might live in a place where it's really hot or maybe really sunny. Some places might be rainy or really windy and blowy. I live in the northern hemisphere of the earth. So if you have a globe and you go up to the top, I am near the top, and it's very cold right now in our winter, and we have lots and lots of snow. So when I go outside, I put mittens on my hands, and I put a scarf around my neck, and I put a hat on my head that's called a toque, and a very warm jacket and some very warm boots so that I'm nice and warm when I go outside to play or to go for walks or to go get my things done. So it's very cold where I am right now, and I did look outside. Do you think I saw sunny? It was a little bit dark and I didn't feel very sunny out. I definitely didn't see the sun. Oh, partly cloudy or partly sunny? Well, I didn't see the sun, so I'm going to put this one away because it's definitely not partly cloudy because I didn't see the sun at all. Rainy? Well, it's winter where we are, and it usually doesn't rain when it's winter. Usually it has snow, and that looks like this. So a rainy day has wet raindrops coming down, and a snowy day has fluffy snowflakes coming down. I didn't see any rain or any snow. About this one, I said there wasn't any sun. I couldn't see it because it was hiding behind the clouds. So it's a cloudy day today. So I'm going to keep this one. And then this is windy. But the trees weren't moving, so I could tell that it wasn't windy today. It's just cloudy. So let's put cloudy up on our board. And that might change. Maybe after lunch it might get sunny out, or maybe it might start snowing. It's fun to play in the snow. So this is our weather chart. And we're going to keep track throughout all of January what our weather is like every day. And we're going to see how many days of each kinds of weather that we have. So I'm going to get my marker. This one, can you help me find out where I'm going to put my tally mark today? This is a tally mark, and it kind of looks like a 1. It's just a slash. So you just make a slash every time you see one of something. This is a sun for sunny. But I said it was cloudy today and I didn't see the sun, so I'm going to skip that one. And the next one is a cloud. So I actually don't need to check the rest of these because we already determined that it was cloudy out. So I'm going to put a tally mark there so that we know that in January we had one cloudy day. And if we look through the chart, we see that we also had one partly cloudy day. So throughout the month, we'll put in more tally marks and we'll see which day we have, which kind of weather we have the most of for January. It's kind of a fun activity. So I forgot to write in my day. So at the bottom of our calendar here, it says today is, and this is the beginning of a sentence. So when someone asks us what day it is, we can say today is Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. So I'm going to print that down here. After today is, I'm going to put Saturday, and I spell it SATURDAY. And then I'm just going to put a little comma there. Do you remember that from yesterday? A comma is in a sentence, and it tells us to pause. So we can do a little pause. Saturday, January, JANUARY, second, comma, 2021. So today is Saturday, January 2nd, 2021. And then I'm going to do my agenda for the day. So I'm going to plan what I'm going to do so that I can make sure I get all the things I need to do done. So here yesterday was Friday, January 1st, 2021. So you can get yourself a paper like this. It doesn't have to be in a book. It can just be a piece of paper. But if you want it to be in a book, you can do that. You can get a hole punch, or you can just poke little holes through here with a pencil and put it in a book if you'd like to. But at the top of your page, try printing out the date, Friday, January 1st, 2021. And if you don't know how to make all these letters yet, just pick one letter to practice. January starts with a J, and that would be a great letter to practice. I don't know where I put mine from yesterday, but I will show you how to make a J after I show you how to do this page. So then I want to practice my numbers because I'm still learning and I want to make sure I have lots of practice. The date was January 1st, so I just put a 1 there. And then I put what the weather was like. It was partly cloudy. And then I drew a cake because do you remember yesterday I wanted to bake a cake? And I did bake a cake and it was delicious. Have you ever heard of an angel food cake? There's all kinds of cakes. There's chocolate, there's cherry chip, there's vanilla, there's carrot cake, spice cake. Yesterday we made an angel food cake, and it is a white fluffy cake that's kind of sticky. So I'm gonna put a check mark here because I completed this task. I wanted to do this yesterday and I did it. So I'm gonna put a check mark there. And I also put my name down here. So I'm just gonna flip this over. I'm gonna show you how to do today so that you can try this at home as well. So today is Saturday. And it is okay if your letters don't look like mine. And it's okay if you have some big letters and some little letters, because when we're practicing, our hands do all kinds of things while they're learning how to move. So today is the 2nd, right? It's the 2nd day, so 1, 2. So I'm going to practice writing a 1 and a 2 so that I can get really good at writing my letters. So a 1 and a 2. And today I am going to go outside and go skating. I'm very excited because I haven't gone skating yet this year. I've gone tobogganing, but not skating. So I'm just going to draw myself a skate. And skates have a blade on the bottom like this. This is a figure skate. There's 2 different kinds of skates. Oh, 3 kinds. But there's like a hockey skate, and some people call them boys skates. But the difference is that a figure skate has this tip on the front and it has little pokes here. And that just helps figure skaters skate a little differently than hockey skaters. And sometimes if you wear them when you're playing hockey, you might trip on this little part. So there's 2 different kinds of skates. And they have laces. So there's my figure skate because I'm going to go skating. And I'm going to put the weather, and it's cloudy. So I'm going to make myself a cloud. Maybe I'll make 2 clouds. It's blocking that sun. And then I'm going to print my name, C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And then I'm going to put this away and I'll check it later and check off that I completed my skating. So our last thing that I'm going to do today is to talk about my New Year's resolution. We talked a little bit about it yesterday. And this year, I am going to be kind to at least 1 person every day. If I can be kind to more than 1 person in a day, that's even better. But I'm really going to try hard to do one thing nice for 1 person every day, 1 special person. And it can be anybody. It could be my mom or my dad or my sister or my brother. I have a stepbrother. I could also do it for my cousin or my friend or my neighbor maybe, or even somebody that I just see when I'm out for a walk. Maybe they drop something and I can pick it up for them. Or I can even just say, hello, how are you? Because sometimes people are all by themselves. And if someone says to them, hi, how are you? That makes them feel really nice inside. And they'll reply and tell you that what kind of a day they're having. What can you do today? What do you think would be a great thing to do on a Saturday? Is your grown-up maybe cleaning the house today? Maybe doing some laundry? You can help them. Even if you don't know how to fold laundry, you can learn how to fold socks maybe, or help fold the face cloths in the laundry. Or maybe you can help do the dishes. Sometimes it's helpful even to just dry a few dishes for them. Or you could color them a picture, make them a card, maybe make a card and drop it off in your neighbor's mailbox. That would cheer them up and give them a great day. There's all kinds of little things we can do just to make someone else happy. So I encourage you to try that today. And I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a happy Saturday. Wait, don't go yet. I forgot to follow up with my feeling face and to show you how to make a J. So let's start with a J. I'm just going to use the back of my binder here. And this is how we make a J. Just start at the top, go down like a hook, like a fishing hook, if you've ever seen one of those. Down, around, and up. And if you want, you can put a little top on your J. Some people put that line on there and some people don't. That's up to you. This is what the line would be if you were writing on a piece of paper with some lines. And to make a little J, it drops down below the line and it has a dot right here. So if you're not ready to write full out date yet, the Saturday in the January, just start with practicing some letters, and a J is a great one to start with. Just start at the top, go down, and then up, down, around, and up. That makes your J. And before we go, I forgot to see if I still feel a little bit nervous, shy, anxious, excited. I feel pretty good. I had a good visit with you today, and I think I'm going to switch it to happy. I'm a little bit excited. Happy and excited because we had a good visit this morning. So I will put that on our calendar, and we will check in tomorrow to see how we're feeling. I hope you have a great day. Bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.